What is the value of angle x in the given diagram? Let A, B equals B, D which equals A, C to be equals to Y. From triangle AB, D using cosine rule as shown on the screen. The square of line A, D equals the product of 2, the square of y and 1 minus cosine 50 degrees which, after simplification, equals the product of 0.8452365 and y. We call it equation 1. Find the square root of the equation. It implies that since triangle ABD is an isosceles triangle, angle BD A equals to angle BAD. Thus, angle BD A equals 65 degrees. It is because the sum of angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. Also, angle CD A equals 180 degrees minus 65 degrees which equals to 115 degrees. It is because the sum of angles in a straight line equals 180 degrees. From triangle ACD, angle C equals to 65 degrees minus x. Using sine rule, AC divided by sine 115 degrees equals to AD divided by sine 65 degrees minus x. Substitute values and we have that y divided by sine 115 degrees equals 0.8452365 times y all divided by sine 65 degrees minus x. Y cancel out and cross multiply. It implies that sine 65 degrees minus x equals the product of 0.8452365 and sine 115 degrees which equals to the result shown on the screen. Take the sine inverse of the equation. It implies that 65 degrees minus x equals the sine inverse of 0.7660444431, which equals 50 degrees. Solve for x and we have that x equals 65 degrees minus 50 degrees, which is equals to 15 degrees. Therefore, x equals 15 degrees.